Moving can be stressful, but the right moving company can make all the difference. I recently used Colonial Van Lines for a cross-state move, and here's my honest experience. Colonial Van Lines offers residential and commercial moving services, including packing, loading, transportation, and unloading. Most people get this wrong. They assume moving companies only transport your belongings, but a full-service mover like Colonial handles almost everything. From the start, the booking process was straightforward. I received a clear estimate based on the weight and distance of my move, and there were no hidden fees. The crew arrived on time and was professional and organized. They wrapped all furniture carefully and labeled boxes to make unpacking easier. One thing I loved was their communication. They provided updates throughout the move, so I always knew where my items were. The transport process itself was smooth. My belongings arrived on time, and there were no damages. Colonial also offers storage options if you need flexibility, which can be a lifesaver during uncertain move dates. The only minor downside was that their weekend availability is limited, so planning ahead is crucial. In conclusion, Colonial Van Lines is a reliable choice for anyone looking for a stress-free move. If you want professional service, clear communication, and careful handling of your items, it's worth considering. Subscribe for more moving company reviews, tips on making relocation easier, and advice on choosing movers you can trust.